Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. So this is going to be my birthday haul with a little bit of a twist. I might have to split up this video too. I've been having to split up a lot of videos lately. So it might be a part one and part two. I'll show you what I got from some YouTube friends of mine that I'm sure you already know. And if you don't know, I will link them below, show their pictures so that you can go and subscribe to them. They're wonderful, wonderful women. And I would love for you to follow them and become friends with them just like I am. And Beanbeauti household, the Beanbeauti world, we celebrate the whole month of your birthday. And it could be the whole month of the month. So like my birthday was in February, so we can celebrate all of February, or we can celebrate February the 20th to March the 20th. We get those 30 days in however we can, and we even double them up. So in my world, you're never late. It's never too late. So we're gonna have an unboxing, and we're gonna find out if all of those friends know me well enough, know me better than myself, and see if I like the unboxing that's coming up. Okay, so at the very end, we'll have that after we go through all of these wonderful goodies my friends gave me. Definitely, I'm not here to brag about what wonderful things everybody has given me. I'm here to make sure that we have the conversation of that it's the friendships that I value. It's the thoughtfulness. It's that you know, they remember the things that the little things that I like. That's what means the most to me is the thought that's behind every single item. So the next thing comes from a friend of mine, which she's also a reseller here on YouTube. But we were friends and buddies way before she started her channel. And this is Robin from Cloverleaf Bags. She did sales or reselling, I think maybe on her own, or was, you know, kind of dabbling in it. And then she decided to open up a channel, start a channel and start selling on here. She does Saturday Night Lives, and she does Monday drops as well. So I thought in this bag was items from whatever I bought. So just a couple of days ago, I opened this up to see what, I think I thought I bought it, it was a wristlet. And I opened it up and look, y'all, it's gifts. I was like, oh my gosh. So I texted her and I said, oh no, I had no idea. But she said she's mailed it after my birthday. So it says here, she mailed it on the 21st. She said she was trying to get it here for my birthday, but she said she just didn't make it happen. And I was like, well, I said, I'm so grateful. So green is her favorite color. She does everything in Cloverleaf Bags. So she goes all out with her branding. So she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4 little gifts and a card, a beautiful card. See her Cloverleaf back here. So let's see what Robin has to say. In fact, I do have a couple of bags coming from you, Robin. So that's what I thought it was. It says, when it comes to birthdays, we're all in the same boat. That's so cute. What boat are we in, Robin? Of course, some of us have been aboard a little longer. Happy birthday. Are you referring to me or to you? I think I'm older than you. I'm not sure. Robin says, Dear Dee Dee, I can't afford a lot, but I wanted you to know that I'm thinking of you on your special day always. You can film this because they know I like to film this. She says, but I'm not doing that for that. I'm not doing it for that reason. So she's not doing this so that I can promote her channel. She's doing this because she's a friend of mine. And like I said, she sent me gifts and goodies and all kinds of stuff before she even started her resale business. So she said, happy birthday. And she said, I hope it's a happy one, Dee Dee. Love you, Robin. I'm like, oh, thank you so much, Robin. I love that. I love that. I love that. And yes, just the thought alone that she thought of me, and, you know, she goes through all the trouble to wrapping things up. It's just like, that alone touches my heart. So let's see what thoughtful things that she sent. All of my friends are super thoughtful. That is the beauty that YouTube has brought to me is true friendships, friends that know you, get to know you, and know your likes and your dislikes, and take the time out to do that. And then take the time out to just send things, you know. I mean, if you see, these are not all elaborate gifts, you know. They're all thoughtful gifts. And knowing all my friends, they probably got everything on sale, because they should, because we are allergic to full price around here, you know. And so it's just extremely thoughtful. Hey, hand sanitizer, aromatherapy, lavender, vanilla. I did a whole my unboxings. I did the I should have waited till the alcohol. I did it again, y'all. For Christmas, I did hand sanitizers. I did my own DIY for Bath and Body Works. Oh, I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my stash. All right, it's gonna go. I have it right here because I gotta hide it from everybody. Okay, so then there's this little thing here. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, oh yes. Okay, this is gonna come in handy. I love to have these in my purse. They're the lip balm, coconut oil, Palmer's. This is really, really good. I use this. I actually use this a lot. And the hubs will like this, so I can share with him and the grandkids too. This will come in perfect handy for the summer. So I'm set between this and what Mandy sent me for Galentine's. Y'all, you know, y'all listen to what I like to keep in my bags. And then here's 2 little boxes. Let's see what goodies are in here. I love like all these little things, because these little things are so thoughtful, you know, that it just touches my heart. So I'm so grateful. Oh, candy. All right. Or are we getting ready for Easter already? Oh no. All right, chocolate candy. Okay, I've got a secret stash, y'all. I still have some stuff from my Galentine's from James Jam. I still have a few things left that I didn't eat all of my stuff. So I've got some of that left. And what's in here? This says, "My wish for you always." Oh, look at that. It's so cute. Okay. I love this box. Oh, this is so cute, Robin. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I'm having trouble getting out. Let me show y'all. Look at that. It's a love. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's a hobo. Oh, wow. You know what? I saw somebody else open this at Christmas time. Oh, I love this. I don't have very many hobo items. Yeah, look, it's hobo. Brand new. Look at that. It's a hobo item. I love how it says, it's very soft. Thank you so much, Robin. You know me, I love my coin purses, so I'll definitely be using this. And then this one, I believe, yeah, look. It has the little ta-da, so I can definitely hook that easily. I can put my credit cards in there. I don't really carry keys. I do carry keys when I drive, on the occasion that I drive, as I could put that in there. But I love it. The color is beautiful. Thank you so much. You're so extremely generous and so sweet, Robin. I'm so grateful for that. I think I might be able to put it on my tree. Sooner or later, this tree is going to come tumbling down. I'm just waiting for it. Let's see. Let's put it next to this heart that Jamie gave me. And it says love. Love. There we go. Thank you so much, Robin. I might eat some candy too. And then I will probably reuse this box, because we do. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycle, reduce, and reuse. So some of those. That was our stuff in the 80s. Okay, let's get the next bag. I got this package from Melissa from Simply Lady M. And then she said, wait, but you can't open it yet. You still have another one coming. So this one came about a little while later. So we're going to open this up and see what fun goodies. She's always super thoughtful, and she actually, you know, goes out and packs everything up and mails everything out. You know, she's always running around doing all the things for herself and her her hubby and her doggies and her children. Very, very thoughtful. So, okay. This one has the card in it. So let's see. Here's the card. Oh, this is so cute. It's a doggy, y'all. It's a doggy. So I want us to feel like we're just sitting here at a party. Y'all are at my house and, you know, you have cake, you have snacks, and we're all just enjoying all of this fellowship together. So I will put up pictures of everybody along the way so that you know what they look like, what their channels are, and then that way you can go visit them and say hello. Here's the doggy. It says, Dee Dee, hope your birthday is just the way you like it. Enjoy. Happy birthday, my friend. Love you, Melissa. Oh, this is so cute. We both love dogs. She has 2 gorgeous little dogs. We have 2 dogs. We bonded over dogs. We bonded over purses. We bonded over everything. So this was in that little bag as well too. That mailer that came. So we'll just open this up as well too. Ooh. Oh, okay. Let's see what's goodies. Oh, yes. Yes, my friends know me. They know me. Look at this. This is so cute. Okay. It is a cherry scarf. I love that. Love, love, love that. Definitely is going to go on a bag. I like that. Too cute. And it's pink. It's going to go, I don't have a lot of pink. It's hugs and kisses. Has some cherries on here. I like that. Okay, and here's another one. This one, let me get this ready. She too has a wonderful TJ Maxx close to her. A lot of times I have gone virtual shopping with her. She takes me along with her, and I just love shopping with her. Oh, cute. These are lips. Cute. I like that. This is a cotton one, which these will stay better on my bags. The silk ones always kind of come undone, but I definitely like these. I don't think these will, let's see, will they fit over my neck? Oh, they might fit over my neck. Yeah. Ta-da. They'll definitely fit on my bag, but I can wear them around my neck. Oh, yeah. Okay. I used to wear, when I worked, I used to wear like this all the time. Love that. Okay. Love that. All right. And then, Melissa, I don't have this. Look at that. It is a butterfly. It has Coach right there. You open it up and it's a mirror on 2 sides. I think one's a larger one. Are they the same? No, they're the same. Yeah, they're the same magnification, I believe. Too cute. You got me a lot of pink stuff. I'm glad I didn't buy a whole bunch of pink things. Yay. Okay, goes perfect with that. And then here's some goodies in here. Ooh, what's in here? Bath and Body Works. Could it be just the bag? Could it be some stuff? Ooh, it's some stuff in there. Oh my gosh. It's a carrot for Easter. She's also getting me ready for Easter. This is so cute. And Robin gave me a hand sanitizer too that will go in there. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. It's a googly eye guy. Oh my goodness. This is freaking adorable. Oh, look at that. The little feet. Oh my gosh. This has got to find a home on a bag. What is this one? Oh, I actually almost bought myself this one. Look at that. So then you put the hand sanitizer. This is the hand sanitizer. Hey, do you have one of these? Ah, this is the hand sanitizer that Robin gave me. It'll go perfect in here. Look at that. It's so cute. I dropped it, so it's got doggy hair everywhere. So adorable. I love that. And then it has the carrot for Easter. I have a hand sanitizer in here. We can put that in here. I am going to be set. So now I can keep my hand sanitizers outside of the bags. So cute. Love that. Okay. And then, oh, she gave me hand sanitizers too. Love them. This, oh, watermelon lemonade. I don't think I have that one. Or if I do have that one, my granddaughter might have stole that one. Pink, oh, pink pineapple sunrise. Oh, I love these hand sanitizers from Bath and Body Works. This one isn't one, right? Oh, it is one. Oh my gosh, it is a hand sanitizer. Look, he's got a little hole. Oh my gosh, what are we going to put? The black, we're going to put this one in there. The pink pineapple. No way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is adorable. Okay, let me see if I can get a hook. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I'm not sure if this is how it's going to stay. I need probably a little bit better hook on there. But look, she's so cute. Oh my God, I love that. Too cute, too cute. Okay. I got all kinds of fun things. Thank you, Melissa. Look at that. This is so cute. Love that. They're all ready with hand sanitizer. So when I'm ready to put them on a bag, it's going with me. Okay. Yay. And I got extra hand sanitizers. So awesome, Melissa. Thank you so, so much. You know me. You know me. Thank you so much for celebrating and indulging me this whole month, 2 months of celebration of my birthday. Celebrate. Celebrate. And the big birthdays, we celebrate all year. So 57 years old. I am grateful to God, grateful to my family, my friends, that I am still here and I can celebrate all this with you. Celebrate my friends with you. Celebrate the wonderful, wonderful time that they took to pick each and every piece for me. It's not the piece itself. It is the thought, the intention behind it that I appreciate most. You know, I'm just so extremely grateful. And yes, my friends know me better than I know myself. All right, Bean Beauties. Thank y'all so much. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hype. Tell me how long you celebrate your birthday. Love y'all. Bye-bye.